Welcome back to AI Unlocked. Here's what happened in artificial intelligence last week. OpenAI made headlines after accelerating development on its core models, signaling an aggressive push to stay ahead in an increasingly competitive AI market. The focus is clear: faster improvements, stronger reasoning, and more capable AI systems. Last week, major business leaders warned that AI will continue to automate routine roles, but highlighted that human skills like creativity, leadership, and emotional intelligence are becoming more valuable, not less. The workforce is shifting, and adaptability is now the most important skill. AI also showed major progress beyond chatbots. New machine learning systems demonstrated breakthroughs in forecasting, analytics, and decision support, proving that AI is rapidly becoming a core tool across science, business, and infrastructure. Across industries, companies expanded AI use in logistics, customer service, healthcare, and sports analytics, using real-time data and automation to increase efficiency and reduce costs. Last week reinforced one key message: AI is moving faster than policy, faster than education systems, and faster than most organizations are prepared for. That was last week in AI. Subscribe, share, and stay ahead with AI Unlocked.